everybody, Billy here. Today I am coming to you from the lovely Oppo studio rather than my usual green screen, and I'm really excited to be showing you the Find X5 Pro from Oppo. There's loads of great features on this phone, and if you're a business and you've just started to delve into the world of social media and realizing how important content on the internet can actually be, I'm convinced this phone is a must-have for you, and there are 3 reasons why. But first, let's jump into the box, dive in and see what we get. So the first thing you're greeted by in the box is the gubbins inside, and you get a free case with it, and there's already a screen protector installed on the phone, which is always a nice touch. It's a nice satiny finished case as well, which is dead cool. And here is the best bit, the Find X5 Pro. It's one piece of ceramic on the back that's tilted up towards the dual 50 megapixel cameras and the 13 megapixel camera. That is a wide camera, an ultra wide camera, and the telephoto lens as well. So proper nice camera setup, and I'll dive into why that is great for social media content creation in just a second. Then you've got the screen on the front. This is a 1 billion color screen with a variable refresh rate from 0 up to 120 Hertz, which really helps save on battery life for this phone as well. So the first reason why I think this phone is going to be great for businesses is the TFU Rhineland certification. Sounds dead boring, but it's really cool. It's a battery certification, which means the battery on this phone can last for up to 4 years of use. That's even with the 80-watt charger that will charge your phone from 0 to 50% in 12 minutes, which is absolutely insane. So if you need to go out and film something, you're taking some promo pictures for your business, and you're thinking, oh blimey, I'm on 0%, give it 10 minutes, 12 minutes, you will be at 50% charge and you'll be fine for the rest of the day. Proper cool little feature that this comes with, and you get that charger in the box. You don't have to pay extra for it. Dead cool. So the next feature that I think is great for social media creation on this device are the dual 50 megapixel cameras on the back with the 13 megapixel telephoto lens. It uses a new type of chip that Oppo have created called the Silicone chip, which does all of the photo processing and the video processing itself, which takes a bit of the strain off of the Snapdragon Gen 8 first edition chip. So the reason that Silicone chip is so good for social media creation and general internet content creation in general is that it will take a lot of the strain off of the super efficient Snapdragon 8 first gen chip, which means your phone stays super fast and super speedy even when you're editing photos and multitasking in general. So the third thing that I want to mention on this phone is safety in general. So when you're charging this phone, you may think the 80-watt charger is going to do horrible things, blow up the phone or whatever like that, but what's really cool about this charger is that there's 5-point safety checks that are done. There's 2 done in the charger itself, 1 done in the cable, and 2 done when you're charging the batteries of this phone too. So not only is this phone super fast, super convenient and super efficient, but it's also super safe as well, which means the battery lasting up to 4 years is no joke. It's generally going to last you up to 4 years. So that is why I think this phone is going to be great for businesses, great for moving into that digital age, making promo content on the fly when you're at work. I've been Billy from Mid Digital Solutions. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to hear more great content. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.